welcome to Path for Healthy Living. Today I just want to ask you all one simple question because in the coming days we are going to start everyday yoga from your home. So in this context I just want you to ask one simple question: why are you doing yoga? I hear many reasons for doing yoga. Some say to increase overall fitness, and some other answers to that question to increase their flexibility, and few others says to increase peace of mind, and others say for the purpose of weight loss. Like this I hear many replies. But today I want to make one thing very clear to all of you, that yoga is not being done for any of these things. All of these things can be achieved as byproducts, but the actual goal is what? That is what I want to say you now. Before that I just want to give you some example, that we go to temple and we take rounds, that is called pradakshin. Okay, so when we are doing that pradakshin, what are you thinking? Like you are thinking, by doing this pradakshin I am going to get this, by doing this pradakshin I am going to exercise. We are not going to think like that, right? We do it out of pure devotion to the God. So think in the same way. This body is a moving temple in which we have been living from so many years, and we are going to live for so many more years, and our soul is the God. So yoga is nothing but an offering which we are giving out of our devotion and gratitude. We are showing gratitude because it is holding us. The body, the temple of the body is holding us within it, right? Do this practice out of gratitude and with pure joy. Only the things which we do out of joy give us good results, not which we do ambitiously and or with we have to do, that's why we are doing. Not like that. Do it out of pure joy and devotion and gratitude, and whatever the results you are expecting, maybe flexibility or fitness or overall health or weight loss, all these things will come as a byproduct to the process. Trust the process, keep smiling and keep practicing. Keep waiting. We are going to meet on 15th August to start the everyday home yoga. Namaste.